the mountain out to our safari thing, and this is the Great Rift. It's a huge mountain, and this is a pit stop. So they have a bathroom in here, and they have all these carvings and other types of things. So this one's for you, Jordan. You love those giraffes. I've been told this isn't the place to buy one, but I'm not even sure I'll get that back in my luggage. But pretty interesting things to bring back home for grandkids.
That was your suitcase. I know, unfortunately.
Yeah, enjoy looking.
Everything's so pretty.
That's nice. People play.
What is it made out of?
At a very good hello. You are welcome. At a very good price. At everything.
So I'm not buying anything today, but
What?
I'm not buying today. We're going to come back through here.
Okay.
So
No matter.
I'll pick it up on my way back. It's very nice.
No worries. But if you like some tomorrow, it is good to promote me this one.
Okay.
One. You have the rest of Marriott.
Okay.
It's good to promote me.
Some of the sales bits that goes on here. Very nice. Oh, good, nice chest set. The next time I come back, Lily, I'll pick one of these up for you. Unless you want to come with us, you can pick one up while you're here. You can pick it out. Let's go outside and see the rest of the rest stop. This is where we are. Great Rift Valley from Red Sea to Mozambique. There's the equator, you can see. Nice little area. I mean, this. Is this very nice. Is this sheep wool?
Yeah. Sheep. Leather from the sheep. It's very nice.
Yeah, they are.
Same price. At a very good price.
I don't need one today.
My husband got a job in Silicon Valley.
Met a Chinese woman that's been down with her.
Is that right? I'll be damned. See through the haze.
You need to pull the clouds up, huh?
Yeah.
Get the fan going.
Hey, this is. Are you enjoying it as much this time as you did the first time?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's good to have my daughter along and see stuff.
Oh yeah, I bet that is.
Things are a little bit different.
Yeah.
We did have a nice sunny day when I was here.
Did you
before,
really?
So the view was.
Oh, I bet it's a fabulous view when it's
Yeah.
sunny.
And,
But what a unique place, huh?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So how did you decide to stay longer to do what you're gonna do?
Paul Chang stayed last year.
Yeah.
And I
was in
read
his
some of
group
his
last
accounts.
year.
Yeah, I read his accounts, and so I wanted to learn more about the Maasai, and I thought we'd have a little bit of an opportunity, but we spent, that day with him isn't enough, really.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy I did now that Kevin's father has killed the lion at 14.
Oh yeah.
I want to get to know that guy.
Yeah.
So, the teacher here, you gave me the.
Oh.
I just had a.
They noticed me.
Did they?
Yeah. They.
Well, I did what you.
Did some missionary work there, huh?
I don't. Didn't I tell you?
That's what-
Didn't I tell you that I'm not pious enough to be a missionary, but I try to do good things?
So sometimes when you don't try, you actually do good things.
Yeah, it's like a blind
that's
pig.
why-
It's like a blind pig. He's saying to me, it's like a blind pig finding an acorn.
That's right.
But you're judging your own pious enough.
But these,
There's some humility in that, isn't there?
that's why I had these made up, because some